Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your American Airlines AAdvantage account step by step clearly. Open your web browser on your phone or computer. Go to AAdvantage.com and wait for the homepage to fully load. Find the login link at the top of the page and click it. On the login panel, look for a link that says Activate Account or similar and click it. If you do not see an activation link, click Join AAdvantage or AAdvantage account and then choose Activate. Enter your AAdvantage number exactly as shown on your membership email or card. Type your first name and last name exactly the way you used during registration. Enter your date of birth in the requested format to verify your identity. Add the email address you want to connect to this account if the form asks for it. Create a strong password with a mix of letters, numbers, and a symbol. Re-enter the same password in the confirmation field. Choose and answer the security questions if you are asked to set them up. Check the box to accept the AAdvantage terms and privacy policy. Click the button to continue, submit, or activate your account. Look for a message saying an email was sent to verify your address. Open a new tab and sign in to the email inbox you used for AAdvantage. Find the email from American Airlines or AAdvantage and open it. Click the verification link inside the email to confirm your email address. If the email is not in your inbox, check spam, junk, promotions, and updates folders. If you still cannot find it, return to AAdvantage.com and request a new verification email. After verifying, go back to AAdvantage.com and click Login again. Enter your AAdvantage number or email and the password you just created. Click Sign In and confirm you can access your AAdvantage dashboard. Review your profile details and update your phone number and address if needed. Turn on account security options like two-step verification if it is available. Save your AAdvantage number in a safe place for future flights and bookings. If activation fails, use the Forgot Password or account help links on the login page. If you are still stuck, contact American Airlines AAdvantage customer service for support. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.